How you can become professional ethical hacker, I will teach you step by step. Becoming a professional ethical hacker is a journey that combines education, practical experience, and commitment to ethical standards. Ethical hacker, also known as white hacker, they use their skill to improve cybersecurity by finding and fixing vulnerability before they can be exploited by malicious actor, I mean bad hacker. The first step is education and training. To becoming an ethical hacker is to gain a solid educational foundation in computer science, information security, or a related field. Many employers prefer candidates with at least a bachelor degrees. However, alternative paths such as military training, boot camps, or professional certificate like the Google Cybersecurity certificate are also valuable. The second step is skills and development. Ethical hacker must be proficient in a variety of tactical skills. This includes understanding network security, TCP, IP, Linux, Python programming, and security information and event management tools. Familiarity with intrusion detection system, packet analyzer, and security hardening is also crucial. The third step is understanding cyber attack. A key aspect of ethical hacking is understanding the different types of cyber attacks, such as malware, phishing, DOS, SQL injection, XSS, and password attacks. Recognizing the methodology and tools used by malicious hackers is essential to simulate these attacks and identifying system vulnerabilities. The fourth step is certification. Obtaining industry recognized certification can significantly boost your credibility as an ethical hacker. The certificate Ethical Hacker Certification from EC Council is one of the most sought after credentials. It required at least 2 years of information security experience or completion of an official training course. The fifth step is practical experience. Hand-on experience is invaluable. Start by setting up your own lab environment to practice penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. Participate in internships, contribute to open source projects, or engage in ethical hacking competitions to build your portfolio. Number 6 step is ethical standard. Ethical hacker must adhere to high ethical standards. They should only engage in legal hacking activities, which include obtaining exploit permission from organizations to test their system, maintaining confidentiality and integrity to remain in their passion. The seventh step is continuous learning. The field of cybersecurity is over evolving and staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques is necessary. Engage in continuous learning through online courses, workshops, and attending cybersecurity conferences. Career opportunity. As an ethical hacker, you can work in various roles such as security analyst, penetration tester, or cybersecurity consultant. You will be responsible for conducting system assessment using penetration testing method, reporting security breaches, and ensuring the system of an organization, technology, and infrastructure. And last, becoming a professional ethical hacker required a blend of education, practical skill, certification, and a strong ethical compass. With the growing importance of cybersecurity, ethical hackers play a crucial role in protecting digital assets and maintaining the trustworthiness of information systems. As you embark on this career path, remember that your skill will not only safeguard organization but also contribute to the overall security of our digital world. That's all in this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.